Using Rave app on your phone is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Rave app on your mobile phone. So for that, as you guys can see, I have this Rave app right here. So if I open it up, at first it will want you to log in with your account. So you just have to create a quick account. After creating the account, this is what you will see. Now, at first, this is a public libraries or a public pages where people are watching the YouTube videos, which you can join for free. So you just have to, go to any of it if you want to, have a chit chat with these guys. Now suppose if you want to watch with your friends, so for that you have to tap on this plus icon and then you have to select whatever the thing that you want to buy. So let me tell you one thing before we begin. Suppose if you're thinking that you will be able to watch Netflix right here from Rave using Rave for free, you simply won't be able to do that. If you want to use the Netflix, you have to sign in with the Netflix. So after signing it up, you will be able to invite people. You can invite your friends will join you and you will be able to watch the movie at the same time. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.